Chantal and me are fraternal twins.
Emma, what are you doing in there?
That means we were born at the same time, but we're not identical.
Oh my God, Emma, open up!
In fact, we're very
Oh, Mum!
unidentical.
I can't believe you're leaving without us.
You've got the chance of a lifetime in your own house. You get to hang out together before you go off to college.
I don't like leaving Emma.
There's nothing wrong with her, apart from being totally self-absorbed.
Chantal's the pretty one, the popular one, the one with all the friends.
Say hello to the new rap of Dick Cleaning Supplies.
And a plan for the future.
Ever heard of giving people some privacy?
Ever heard of not being a whore?
Right to bed, babe. Oh, hey, bro.
Get back inside, Alan.
I'm not apologizing. I can't do it any quieter, babe. Force is too strong.
And me?
Freak! Up yours!
Well, when your sister owns normal, there's really only one option.
In a band?
He's going for the double. You've got to admire the balls of the guy.
All right, you look like you're in the Velvet Underground.
Who?
You're kidding me.
You can't hide out from the world forever, Emma.
Emma looks different.
Ah, like she has some kind of glow.
Have you ever even told her you liked her? It's not that simple, man. Emma hates feelings.
Look, I know you hate me now, but do you think someday we could be okay?
Oh, I've got thick eyelashes.
I've got false nails.
I've got handcuffs.
What?
Maybe the chance to change your life only comes around once or twice. You have to go all in.
What are you doing? Are you spying?
What are you doing? Walking around looking literally like Halloween, like. Sorry. I don't mean that. You look amazing. Get in the van for a sec.